top 4 Nashville's hot fried chicken restaurants. Hi, my name is David Clausen with the top menus from around the world. And the Food Insider made a great video called The Best Hot Fried Chicken in Nashville, Best of the Best. And I will show you the menus from these great restaurants that they profile. And below my video, I will put links to all of the menus so you can quickly access them. Nashville is just south of Kentucky and between Memphis, Tennessee and Knoxville, Tennessee, and north of Chattanooga. It is the capital and most populous city in Tennessee with a population of about 700,000 people. It was founded in 1779 and named after Francis Nash, a general of the Continental Army during the American Revolutionary War. And when I type in Nashville, Tennessee into Google Images, you can see what a beautiful city that it really is. The first restaurant is called Prince's Hot Chicken, and they are the founders of Nashville's hot chicken. The father is named Thornton Prince, and his girlfriend was very angry with him because she thought he came home or was with another woman. She wanted revenge, and this was during the Depression in the 1930s. So she served him up a plate of homemade fried chicken with a lot of peppers and spices in order to burn him. However, much to her dismay, Prince didn't fall over weeping in pain. He asked for seconds, and at that moment, the legend was born, and hot chicken would be in Nashville forever. So let's take a look at the originals menu. You can get a chicken from whole all the way to a leg or a breast. They have wings and tenders with some great sides like fries, potato salad, coleslaw, and baked beans. They have a lot of the typical drinks you would get in a restaurant with some cool desserts like cheese pie, pecan pie, pumpkin pie, or you can get slices of cake. The next restaurant is called Party Fowl, and their motto is hot chicken plus draft beer plus boozy slushes equals Party Fowl. They have 3 locations in Tennessee, and they have some cool pictures on their website of some of the great meals that they have. They've also been in the press on the Food Network and the Tennessean, and they advertise that their chicken is made from scratch. They have a big menu from Nashville hot chicken for the table, gumbos and salad, some not hot chicken, sides, tasty treats, booze and brews, and also a brunch. On their Nashville hot chicken menu, you can get hot chicken street tacos or some hot chicken on a French baguette. You can see they have a very diverse menu, anything from nachos to hummus or even a fried onion ring loaf. You can also get a catfish or a loaded burger. The next restaurant is Hot Hattie B's Chicken, and they have a lot of locations, including in Atlanta, Georgia, and Las Vegas, Nevada. And you can get a hot chicken sandwich with the chicken breast, coleslaw, comeback sauce, and a kosher pickle, or hot chicken plates served with 2 sides. You can also get a platter like jumbo tenders or whole wings. The last restaurant is called the Pepperfire Nashville Style Hot Chicken, and the founder, Isaac Bird, fell in love with hot chicken, so he perfected the recipe. They've been featured on the Travel Channel's Chow Down Countdown, and they have a lot of hot chicken dinners served with 2 sides, white bread, and pickles, including a whole chicken, wings, tenders, and even this cool one, the pepper cheese. Their side items include fried okra, collard greens, apples, potato salad, baked beans, fries, and mac and cheese. So those are the best or the top 4 Nashville's hot fried chicken restaurants. Make sure to subscribe to my channel because I will have many more top menus from all around the world. Thanks so much for your time and happy eating. Take care.